What's up, everybody? So today we got these new side plates, the Fiend, because I don't know if he's gonna be in the WWE much longer. Even got this Yowie Wowie t-shirt. I got that cool action figure over there too, the Fiend action figure. I thought I got a short video today on this. So as you see on this belt, I still have the John Cena side plates because I thought he was gonna win at SummerSlam, but he didn't. But the Fiend was the last person to hold this belt, as far as it being red, so they have the blue title you see over there. So, that being said, he gets the honor of getting, you know, side plates on this belt. Here's what they look like. Look at these. Look at those side plates. Check them out. Look at them. Fiend. Pretty cool, huh? Let's begin taking off this here. I'm gonna unscrew this. How you guys doing today? Yeah, I should give me a new belt eventually. And did you guys enjoy Raw yesterday? The cage match. John Cena side plate. Yeah, I didn't get the Biggie side plate. You guys like Biggie Langston as champion? You might, I don't know. Another John Cena side plate. I'm gonna put on the Fiend side plates. The Fiend. Make sure it's the right way. Cool, cool, cool. Put that there. All right, so. Here we go. I'll put this in here like that. We're gonna put this in like this. I get it in there. Get it in a little bit. I get it in there. There we go. Almost got it. These things can take a while, sometimes. Putting on side plates. First one, get the other one here. The other, look at that Fiend side plate. Look at it. It's kind of scary, huh? Maybe I should fast forward this video. Screw that in like that. Yeah. There we go. Here we go, guys. See the Fiend side plates. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It is the Fiend's title. You might say it's Brock's title, but now it's the Fiend's title. So, look at this. Look at my new Fiend belt. Look at my shirt. It's cool little side plates. You guys enjoy this video? Did you guys enjoy my Fiend side plate video? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I think it is. But tell me what you think of the Fiend side plates. Look over here. I'll show you something else. Okay, here, you see, it's my Fiend action figure. See it? Got that in the mail too. Right next to the Lily doll. Yeah, guys. Put it down right here. So you gotta see one more time. There it is. The Fiend side plates. But yeah, did you guys enjoy this video? Tell me what you think. Please have a nice day. Subscribe if you want to. I'm Jackson Parker. And hope you enjoyed this video.